If you want to understand your lower back, you have to understand how your core functions. Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Jason Kelly, creator of The Balanced Body. Hope everybody's having a great day today. So in order to understand your lower back, you have to understand how the core functions. And so the core is not developed based on muscles, it's developed based on position. So in order to optimize and maximize your core strength, you need alignment, and that all starts with your hips. And so to understand this a little bit better, when your hips are tilted forward, your lumbar goes into hyperextension. When your hips are tilted backward, your thoracic spine starts to round forward. So your hips dictate the alignment of your spine. And so as much as the hips are dictating the alignment of your spine, it's going to dictate the core strength and functionality. And so it's important to understand this because the exercises I'm going to show you are simple, but most people don't do the exercises correctly. For example, when your glutes are strong, it puts your hips into a neutral position and that reciprocates your core. You can try it. Stand up and squeeze your glutes, and when you squeeze your glutes strong, you'll notice that your core, your abdominals reciprocate with this isometric tension. So that is the piece that needs to be formulated and functional in order to understand how to treat your lower back or to make your lower back more functional. And so I'm going to show you these exercises, but I'm going to show you how to do them correctly, because what you have to understand is the core as a position is everything around the center. It's not one muscle, it's the center point that lies right behind your navel, in the middle of your navel and your lower back. That is the core's position. And so the exercises I'm going to show you how to get your hips into a better position, a neutral position, in order to optimize your alignment and optimize the core. So here's the incorrect way to do the hip bridge, is by hyperextending your lumbar spine. And here's the correct way. You squeeze your glutes and you'll feel the core stability reciprocate back. And so that's what you're trying to train. So squeeze your glutes and keep your abdominals tight for about 10 seconds. And here it is doing a single leg. Again, keep your glutes squeezed and that'll activate that core stability. Here's a side plank. So you're going to work on the oblique that's on the bottom. Keep it nice and tight. And then you're going to go to the side leg lift. You're going to come down to the floor and do the side leg lift. Make sure you stay in alignment. Try and make sure your hip's not backward or forward. And so these two exercises work well together because the oblique and the glute medius work well at stability, cross pattern in the body. And when you lift that leg up, make sure you feel that oblique and that glute medius, that small muscle on the side of the hip. And here's a single leg frog. So on that straight leg, you're going to keep that glute and your quad nice and tight. Make sure you contract there and keep that knee pushing into the floor, and you'll feel your lower back working. And here's the wrong way to do the lunge. And here's the right way to do the lunge. Okay, so you want to make sure you squeeze your glute, then stretch your hip flexor. Don't stretch first. Squeeze your glute, then stretch. Remember, squeeze the glute, activates the core stability and reciprocates that. And that'll also put your hip in a better aligned position. That'll make your lumbar stabilize as well. And here it is using a weight if you want. You can add a little bit of a challenge. Hey, thanks for watching, and I hope you understand how the core is not just about muscles, it's about position. And when you understand this, you'll be able to make your core a lot stronger, as well as strengthen and be better with your alignment. And this is what creates functional movement. So take care, have a great day, and don't forget to check out this video right here.